We always say a change in something when talking about how something is modified. Example, a change in policy, a change in behavior. So, a change in the way is correct and natural English. To is used with verbs when expressing purpose. So, they used a screen to hide or to conceal the identity. To conceal. The reason why the screen was used. The sentence is talking about a future possibility. So we use will be, future, P plus past participle, advanced, because it's passive. It means a woman will be moved forward, advanced, to the next round. We use increase, noun, when we talk about how something has gone up. In this case, it's the increase in number of women hired. It fits grammatically with the proportion female. So we can say why these answers fit in these places. In we say change in something, it's a standard phrase. To conceal shows the purpose of the screen. To hide means to conceal. Will be advanced. Future passive voice. A woman will be moved ahead. Increase noun form fits after the. Shows growth in female representation. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If not, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments.